Okay, so number 5, we have another find the quotient. Write the answer in the simplest form. So we have our beginning two numbers. This time we have an improper fraction, excuse me, a mixed number and a fraction. So we have to change this mixed number into an improper fraction because we can't multiply everything out, so we're going to have to change it first. So quotient means to divide, so we're going to make our mixed number into an improper fraction, and we do this by taking the 2 times the 10, and that's going to give us 20, and then we add the numerator back in, which is going to be 7, which makes it 27, and we keep the denominator, which is 10. So then we go over here to our keep, change, flip, and simplify, and it becomes 27 over 10, and we change our division to a multiplication, and then we flip our 9/15 into 15/9. Now, what we can do here is we can simplify. Let me slide this down a little bit. And we can simplify it first. So 27 and 9 can both be reduced, and we can divide them both by the number 9. And 27 divided by 9 is going to give us 3, and 9 divided by 9 is going to give us 1. Well, the 10 and the 15 can also be reduced by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is going to give us 2, and 15 divided by 5 is going to give us 3. When we multiply 3 times 3, which is what's left in our numerators, we have 9. And when we multiply 2 times 1, which is what's left in our denominator, we have 2. 9 halves is going to equal 4 and 1/2 because we take our 2, we divide it into 9, and that gives us 4. And 2 times 4 is 8. 9 take away 8 is 1, and 1/2 is what's left over. Okay, guys, thanks. Bye.